How to fix Face ID not available on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on any iPhone you're using. Go to your settings, then scroll down until you find Face ID and passcode. You're going to have to just give it your passcode real quick, and then all you want to go ahead and do is it basically is you're just going to have an option to set up your Face ID. You can also set up your Face ID with a mask or set up an alternative appearance as well. For example, maybe you have like your face when you have like a full beard or when you're clean shaven or anything like that. So what you want to go ahead and do, if you want to reset your Face ID or anything like that, or if it's not available, it's going to say that it's required while stolen device protection is enabled. So all I want to do is I want to go back, then I want to go over to privacy and security, or sorry, I want to go into screen time, and then I want to go over to content and privacy restrictions. Once I'm in here, I'm going to see a lot of different things, and all I want to go ahead and do is go over and find stolen device protection. So what I'm going to do is type in stolen, and it's going to be within Face ID and passcode. So all I want to do from here is turn off stolen device protection. It's going to ask my Face ID. Then I can go ahead and reset my Face ID. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.